All right, so we are quarantined. I think that's what we're supposed to be doing. Social distancing. So once a week, we're gonna go get some takeout because there's a lot of great restaurants out there still serving like curbside. You can get Grubhub, you can get some really cool delivery options. And we want to show you guys all these opportunities that you can have to still support these local restaurants. So our great friends at Pizza House were gracious enough to give us some gift cards to give away and give us a couple pizzas to try because they believe in their product. So we're gonna go pick up some pizzas and we're gonna go try these things and tell you guys exactly what we think about their pizzas. All right, so I'm here at Pizza House off Commercial Street. I called my order in earlier. Let's see how easy it is. You see him in the back? Let's see how easy it is to pick up an order. Totally just did a U-turn in front of a cop. I'm pretty sure it was illegal. Didn't get pulled over. So pulling up to Pizza House. Oh, there's a big curb, so make sure you stop before you run into the curb. All right, let's go get the pizzas. All right, so just picked up the pizzas. Here's their hours, their updated hours. 11 to 8 every day except for Sunday and Monday. They're closed. But I got the, and look at this. They gave us gift certificates. Guys, they didn't have to do that. I mean, look at that. How did your keys get stuck? What the? Yeah. I'm telling you, these days of crisis really testing my patience. I don't know why I'm putting this pizza in the back seat. Everybody knows you gotta test the pizza on the way home. I mean, that's one thing. I was gonna say that. My wife hates it when I pick up pizza because whenever I get home, there's always some slices like not there. This is why this pizza doesn't make it all the way home in one piece. So we got Pizza House takeout. I think they gave us one pepperoni. If you want to look in that one, see what it is. Oh,
Now I know it doesn't come looking like this.
Well, you know, the drive here was a little crazy, but some fell out of the truck.
This is not the first time that this has happened.
Now, Miranda, what is your favorite part about Pizza House?
Gotta go around the outside edges.
Yeah, this is like a super thin.
Yeah, I can tell you've already tried it. You already know exactly what it tastes like.
Now, what can you expect when eating at Pizza House?
Pizza House is a classic restaurant, super simple. If you're looking for like lots of different options besides pizza, they keep it simple.
Yeah, there's two options when you go. You can have pizza or you can have a salad. But their classic pizza, you have to get pepperoni if you go.
It's like a cracker crust almost.
Yes.
Really thin.
All right, so if you've never had Pizza House, look how thin that is.
So what's funny is Jesse is not a crust person at all. Like he usually does not eat the crust on pizza, but here we are fighting over the outside edges of the pizza.
And it looks like they gave us pepperoni and they must sell a lot of the deluxe. Now, are you a deluxe person?
I like to keep it simple. I'm good with pepperoni or even just cheese.
That's her saying she doesn't like mushrooms, olives. She doesn't like anything.
Yeah, I do. Just not mushrooms and olives.
What kind of category is Pizza House?
Pizza House fits ages from 0 to 99. Like anyone would love Pizza House. It's a really classic, just Pizza House. And there's...
What she's trying to say is it's a family restaurant.
Family restaurant for sure.
312 East Commercial, Springfield, Missouri, 65803.
And they do takeout, so even if you're stuck at home, you can still get pizza to take home.
Even during this quarantine, the Greene County is actually allowing restaurants to do takeout only. So with all these restaurants being open and doing takeout, you can still get everything that restaurants have to offer. Oh, meat lovers and deluxe. So I just had meat lovers. Actually, do you know what I really like about Pizza House? It's one of those pizzas that you can actually inhale it and it like disintegrates in your mouth.
Do you ever notice
It's really thin, so you can eat a lot without getting full. Some people might look at their menu and think that they want to see more things on the menu, but I actually like it because I can never decide what to order at a restaurant, and so it just is really clear.
This is what happens when married couples do video together. She's like, do you have to chew like that? And I'm like, yeah, that's how I chew.
Don't be such a loud chewer.
Oh my gosh.
Like eating with a billy goat. Basically. So we just wanted to give a shout out to our sponsor, Arctic Food Equipment.
Yes.
They are the ones that provide the ovens and all of those things for the restaurants, so restaurants wouldn't exist without them.
No, they won.
And we need restaurants.
Yes. We love you guys. Have a good one.
Peace.